Stop tolerating the retinol ugly phase just to see fewer wrinkles. You don't have to suffer through redness, peeling, or painful inflammation for professional results. Meet Bakuchiol, the botanical powerhouse delivering high-performance skin tightening without a single drop of irritation. Science is finally catching up to this ancient purple-flowered secret that mimics vitamin A while protecting your skin barrier. If you want radiant, firm skin without the burn, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we reveal how to transform your nightly ritual into a science-backed luxury. For years, we've been told that beauty must come with pain. Traditional vitamin A treatments often leave your skin red and peeling. Many people struggle through a purge period that feels like a burn. This aggressive resurfacing can actually damage your natural skin moisture barrier. In 2026, the trend is shifting toward barrier-first longevity for aging. We are moving away from harsh synthetics that cause constant inflammation. Before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe to Wellness Path Podcast. Join our community to discover more natural ways to stay radiant. Bakuchiol is the plant-derived powerhouse changing the entire skincare game. It offers the same collagen-busting results without those nasty side effects. This extract comes from the seeds of the Bakuchiol plant. Clinical studies now show it performs just as well as retinoids. It stimulates protein turnover to keep your skin looking young and fresh. Unlike retinol, this botanical hero actually helps to hydrate your skin. It is also photostable, meaning it won't break down in sunlight. You can wear it safely during the day without any extra sensitivity. This makes it a much more versatile tool for your daily routine. Nature has provided a way to firm skin without the chemical stress. It's about working with your biology instead of fighting against it. Science proves that gentle restoration can outperform aggressive chemical treatments. We are entering a new era of sustainable and painless beauty. Bakuchiol works wonders for firming your jawline and smoothing fine lines. It boosts skin elasticity by supporting your natural collagen structure. Recent data shows a significant increase in skin density over 12 weeks. This plant extract also helps to fade stubborn dark sunspots. It suppresses excess melanin production to give you an even tone. Your skin becomes more resilient and looks visibly tighter every day. True beauty also starts from within your body and your plate. Eat plenty of colorful berries to protect your skin from oxidative stress. Leafy greens like spinach provide the nutrients needed for cellular repair. Avocados offer healthy fats that keep your skin barrier soft and supple. Hydration is key, so drink plenty of water with fresh lemon slices. Regular facial exercises can help lift and tone your underlying muscles. Try gentle massage techniques to increase blood flow to your face. Walking outdoors also boosts circulation for a natural, healthy glow. Consider adding a high-quality zinc supplement to help reduce skin inflammation. Vitamin C supplements can further assist in stabilizing your collagen production. Combining these habits creates a powerful foundation for ageless skin. You are treating the root cause instead of just the surface. This holistic approach ensures your results last for many years. Natural restoration is the most effective way to stay youthful and vibrant. Applying this plant extract is easy and fits perfectly into your routine. Start by cleansing your face with a very gentle, soap-free wash. Apply a few drops of Bakuchiol oil or serum to damp skin. You can safely layer it with hydrating hyaluronic acid for extra moisture. Copper peptides also work well with this extract to boost skin firmness. This botanical is a total lifesaver for people with very sensitive skin. It is even safe for those struggling with rosacea or extreme redness. Many people use it as a gentle alternative during pregnancy or nursing. Always check the ingredient label for a high concentration of the extract. Look for products that use sustainable and eco-friendly sourcing methods today. Avoid formulas that contain hidden synthetic fragrances or harsh drying alcohols. Consistency is the secret to seeing the best results for your skin. Use it every night to maintain a strong and healthy skin barrier. Switching to this natural ritual prevents long-term damage from harsh chemicals. You can finally achieve the firmest skin of your life without pain. Nature and science have come together to give you a perfect glow. Thank you for joining us on the Wellness Path podcast today. Be sure to like this video if you found these tips helpful. Check out our other videos for more natural health and beauty secrets. Take care of your skin and enjoy your journey to ageless beauty.